Have you done all practicals? Have you done all practicals in the lab? Fine. At the time of installation of Linux, we create root partition. Root partition, home, boot, and swap. What is the use of home partition? होम पार्टीशन का क्या इस्तेमाल है? हाँ, होम पार्टीशन का क्या इस्तेमाल है? What is the use of home partition? Which type of data is stored in the home partition? Okay, fine. How can you create multiple files at a time? Multiple files at a time. You can write the command also here. Init 2. Fine. I'm going to ask one more question to you. What is the use of cp command? C. Yes. Copy. Copy करने के. To copy, you can say to copy a file or directory. What is the role of the serial number? First of all, batch 1 or 2? Batch 1. 17. Okay, fine. Thank you. Who is in the next? What? Roll number 14. Which command is used to delete an empty directory?
RM minus RM.
RM minus RM. Good. Give me the command that is used to create a soft link of a file.
LN, original file with operators
Use it. Market is not used to write on the paper. Fine. Soft link, ln, original file name, then minus s, then new file name. Okay. Next question. How can you identify with the help of a terminal? How can you identify with the help of a terminal that at this terminal is for local user or for super user?
by the sign of hash sign or dollar sign.
Hash represents
Administrator and dollar sign for
good. Serial number 13. 13. Your serial number 20, batch 1 44523. This one. Now, is Linux a multi-user operating system? If at present I am working in some different directory, I have to come back to the home directory. मैं किसी और डायरेक्टरी में हूँ, अब मुझे होम डायरेक्टरी में आना है. Which command we will use? Clear? One more question. Suppose you have created a file with the help of touch command. So touch gives us facility to write into the file. क्या touch command के help से फाइल में लिखने की facility है? Good. Serial number 23. Batch 444 or 445? Serial number 18. Roll number 18. This is actually the attendance time. Now, Linux supports which file system? Linux कौन सा फाइल सिस्टम सपोर्ट करता है? MKDIR. What is the use of cut command in Linux? Cut command का क्या इस्तेमाल है Linux में? Sorry? CLSCR. This is the use of cut command. Right. Now, can we create a new file with the help of VI text editor? Fine, thank you. Anybody else? Look, I am conducting this Viva session as per the interview session. It will remove some hesitations and it will give you some confidence. With these two things, you should also maintain some discipline of any interview. Like before sitting, you should take permission. May I sit, sir? If you are coming to me, you should wish me good morning, sir. If I am giving you permission, okay, fine, sit down, thank you. Then, okay, you can sit. Otherwise, you should stand here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
No. Look, your college, school, all these places are learning place,
Yes, yes.
from where you can learn a lot of things. After learning many things, whenever you go for an interview, in that interview, your image reflects before the interviewers. Understand?
Yes, sir. 16,444.
16,444. No. With the help of ls command, ls space minus l, we can see the list of all files and directories which are present into a particular partition or directory. ls space minus l command से हम किसी डायरेक्टरी के अंदर या किसी पार्टीशन के अंदर जो भी फाइल्स एंड डायरेक्टरीज हैं उनकी पूरी लिस्ट देख पाते हैं. But in that list, how can we identify that which one is file and which one is directory? You can use pen or paper.
In blue color, we can identify directory, and white color we are identify
Files. Good. If there is no change in color, all files and directories are in the same color, like blue or like white, then blue and white is okay, because what you have seen on the screen, that is okay. Okay? One more. Suppose I have created a file. File name is B.SC.IT. Getting? B.SC.IT. And I am not able to find my file. I am not able to find my file where I have created it here. How can you help me? As a network admin, as a system admin, how can you help me? I am a simple user of Linux. I am an employee of an office, of an office. How can you help me? By using grep command. Grep command. Okay. You have to find the file which I have created. I should know about it. But in spite of that thing, I am just asking to you. I am unable to find my file myself. Please help me.
Then simply we run the ls.
Okay. One more question. In Linux, we set time zone. Time zone at the time of installation. In Linux, what is our time zone or name of the time zone? Sorry, serial number
16.
445.
444.
Okay. Anybody else? You. Please come. For answer, please. Yes. Asia Kolkata.
Yes,
Yes, when you forget your file, then I am asking your file name and locate file name.
Locate file name. Yes, very good. Excellent. Locate command will be used to find any files into the entire system. But before, if you are going to run the locate command, before that you should run one more command. That command is because locate cannot run or cannot give you the answer or output. No, not find, not find. Yes. If you are now, is there any student whose Viva is pending? Everybody has given Viva?
Yes.
Everybody?
No, sir. Which one?
You. Okay. Just wait. I'm going to explain each and every question which I have asked in the Viva session. If you have any doubt, you can ask frankly to me, sir. What will be the answer of this question, that question? Okay. Please come. Good morning. This is the right way. No, 444. 14. Now, in Linux, I have used cut command to filter few columns from a file. Huh? Like this. This one, student name like Mohan, serial number 18, C5000, and course B.SC.IT, like this. This one is the first field and this one is the third field. With the help of cut command, I have just filtered these two columns from this file. How can I put the output into a file? Minus T. Use this trick. Right here. Look, with the help of this syntax, you can just filter these two columns from the file. Now you will have to keep this information, filtered information, into a file. तुम्हें ये से जो आउटपुट आता है उसको एक फाइल में रखना है. तुम क्या करोगे? हाँ, आउटपुट तो स्क्रीन पे आ जाएगा, बट हमें आउटपुट को स्क्रीन पे नहीं लेना, एक फाइल के अंदर लेना. क्या करोगे? Just right. Any file, इसी फाइल में रखो. This is the correct answer. Actually, this is the right way. First, cut command you have used. then delimiter, you have defined delimiter, that the delimiter is colon. Then after you have a specified field, then you have to put a sign greater than, reductional operator, and then file name. You have given file name F. It's okay. F, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, your name also, anything you can. Good. Now, we can create two types of links, hard link and soft link. In which link new inode value is assigned to link file. हम दो तरह के लिंक बना सकते हैं. किस लिंक में जो नई लिंक फाइल बनती है उसको नया inode वैल्यू मिलता है. First one, name link, hard link or soft link? Hard link. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Serial number 14. This one. Okay. Anybody else?
So, sir, this answer is soft link.
This answer.
The answer of this question is soft.
Yes, good. Answer of this question is soft link. Look, I have asked approx. Yes, I'm going to search. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 into 3 means 66. I have asked 66 questions. I think I have never received any question. I have asked 66 questions. These 66 questions have given you the complete review of the of all chapters which you have studied in last classes. That's why I was telling all of you, please concentrate on every question. It doesn't matter you are able to answer all questions or not. At least if you will hear each and every question, in that case, if you are a good student, laborious student, you will try to find the answer of all questions. That is enough. At the time of examination, there is no need to go all chapters, read everything. No, sir, during the class period, I have learned everything. Not learned, remembered everything. I have just to take a review. Fine, this one, this one, this one. Okay, fine. Within 4-5 hours or maybe maximum one day, you can just finish the preparation for the university exam or internal exam. Getting? Is it true or not?
True, sir.
Now, your turn. You can ask any question in which you have few doubts. Graduate, one by one. Just See, I am going to clear one doubt. You all have told that, sir, we will use locate. Locate command.
Yes, sir.
Locate, then file name XYZ.
Yes, sir.
But before locate, we should run
DB update.
right. DB update.
Yeah, update. Yes.
Fine. Now, next. Any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, when
Yes.
we have the DB updates, but DB update doesn't work, sir.
Okay, maybe there is a mistake. Update DB.
Update, yes. That is optional.
I have also doubt. DB update or update DB. There is, actually, it is confusing for me. Mostly I get confused. And
Sir,
now, grep command. What is the use of grep command?
sir, searching in a file, searching a particular file, sir.
Grep command is used to filter few lines from a file on the basis of given criteria.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
Yes.
Grep command. For example, suppose I have written an essay on the cow. The cow. Now, I have to filter all those lines in which I have written about milk production. Milk. So now, grape, milk, and file name. File name is like the cow.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How many times I have written milk is salt. 4 times 2 times.
Now, I have asked a question that how can you create multiple files?
Using touch command.
Touch file one by one.
Touch command,
Yes, sir.
TOUCH, touch,
Yes, sir.
space,
File.
file name like file 1, file 2, file 3.
Yes.
File 1 you can write Mohan Kumar Chaturvedi. है ना? Okay, fine. One more question. At the time of installation of Linux, Ubuntu, you can say anything, we create multiple partitions,
Yes, sir.
or we can create one partition also. But if we have created root, boot,
One drive.
home, and swap, what is the use of this partition? Local user. It keeps a directory of all local users. Or you can say this home partition is used to keep profile of all local users. The real answer is this. User profile, local user profile. This partition is used to store local user profile. Getting?
Getting that.
Okay. Now, one more question.
Sir, swap used for sir?
Swap. Anybody can answer?
Virtual
Virtual memory.
Yeah.
This is actually a part of your hard disk that is used as a RAM. In which case, if we have to process, our system has to process a huge file, and that file cannot be adjusted into the RAM. In that case, our system uses few part of our hard disk. That part is still known as virtual memory or swap.
Swap.
Getting?
Yes.
So if we write in touch Mukesh Kumar Jha without a space, then it become a
Single file.
Single file.
Hmm.
If enter with a space bar Mukesh as a space Kumar space Jha, then it becomes 3 files.
3 files.
Then which command you use as slash for a single?
No.
Suppose mostly we give the name of any file like Mukesh, Kumar. There must be a space. Otherwise, people are not able to read it. What he has written. Okay, fine. Because we should always write like Mukesh, then a space, then Kumar, then a space, then Jha.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So it means a space is mandatory.
Yes.
To keep a space, we should specify slash.
Yes.
Because slash removes a special meaning of a character. Okay?
As used for single. Sir, we can use underscore also.
No. Underscore. Okay, fine. You can use underscore like this. But in case of underscore, this file is okay, but there is option. You can write, you can create a file with a space also. You have to just specify a slash.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's make a
Finally,
single
output
file.
is what? In this case, output will be the same. Mukesh underscore Kumar underscore Jha.
Yes, sir.
But if you are specifying slash, in that case, your output will be like this: Mukesh Kumar Jha.
This is a single file, sir.
Single file. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any more question? Look, during this Viva session, all those students who were present, overall, the output is satisfactory. Overall, your performance is satisfactory, but not by all. But not by all. Overall, if I am going to give marks to this class, so this class has got approx 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 means the average scoring is 70%. It's good for the class, but not for all the students, because few students have got very less marks, or say 0. Why? In next assignment or Viva, you all have to perform well. 10, okay, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10. The scoring should be like this. Overall, if any class average marks is around 8 to 9, it is good.
Sir, in the previous class, you said that I will give a present. I will take present of every student.
Presentation.
Presentation. I will start it. Presentation.
7 by 10 is to be implemented.
It should be 8 or 9. Okay? No. What is time right now?
Same time.
Give me the book. I'm going to cover few topics. Yes. If you okay, you can ask this question, sir. I have doubt. How can I find file or directory? Remove this. For me also.
Sir,
Yes.
tilde sign shows the login local user.
Tilde sign.
Yes, sir.
No, actually tilde sign shows the home directory, not local user. For local user, dollar,
Dollar
and for super user,
For
hash.
and so the local user in
See, if you will give this command ls space minus l, fine.
Yes.
Then suppose that there are one file and one directory. Suppose. Then you will get like d r w x r x r x like this, and r w dash r dash dash r dash dash like this. This d represents directory. This minus sign represents a file.
File as well as directory or only file?
File.
Only file.
This is used for file. And you have seen the change status of this dash also when you have created soft link. You have created soft link, huh?
Yes, sir.
With the help of ln
LN command.
space minus
Yes.
s. Suppose that file is apple
Yes.
and you have created apple 1. So suppose apple, for apple this sign is used,
Yes.
rw something something, but for this is for apple, but apple 1 l rw x apple 1. There is a change. Getting?
Yes, sir.
This change shows that this is a link file,
Link.
soft link file. Fine? Are you able to understand? Say yes or no. Your pitch is very low. Why?
What means absolute means it's
Yes. Yes.
Ramesh name one directory, and in this directory there contains many files and directories. By
Ramesh is a directory. Okay, file. And in this directory
Contains
many files. Okay.
so we can delete this directory from outside.
Okay. Means you would like to delete a directory in which you have kept multiple files. Right? To delete that directory, somebody has answered. How can we delete a directory with data? Suppose there is a Space. Good, good. RM
minus RM.
space minus RM.
Yes, sir.
Then directory name, like your directory name is Ramesh. Right? And what is the purpose of R and F? Good, very good, excellent. Recursive. And F for? Forcefully. Recursively and forcefully delete. There is no need to ask warn us for each and every data, for each and every file. Clear? Good. Actually, if you are asking few questions to me, it shows your interest level. If anybody is not asking any question, it means he is just passing time. Okay, fine. What happened? No question? No one? Look,
Sir.
I have heard a statement. More study, more confusion. No study, no confusion. You all believe in this principle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, it should more study, more clear of confusion.
So before confusion, after them.
No. If you have confusion and you are trying to get solution of that confusion, it will give you improvement.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
You have asked question when there is no any color difference between file and directory, then how we can identify them?
Yes.
And how?
I have given answer. From the beginning of this output, if you see D means directory, dash or minus, file, something else. I have given an example also. Like L represents something.
Sir, suppose I enter a new directory. Then I write cd space suppose directory name here. How to enter in another file?
Another file
Yes, sir.
means you have to edit a file.
Must.
You would like to go into a file.
Yes, sir.
For which purpose? To write something, to delete it. Actually, there can be many options. Yes. What is soft link file? Good. I'm going to answer.
Which one?
Look.
One.
Look.
No, I am there. I want to go then cd space.
First, you have used cd command to enter into a directory. Suppose that
Directory is not.
like students,
Yes.
fine. Then what will happen? Now if you have created students, in that case you will be in students directory.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to go into file. So first of all, for which purpose? Suppose you have to edit it. You can use vi, file name like what's your name? Asim.
Yes.
Good. Asim. Maybe wrong.
Yes.
If you have to copy this file, use cp command.
Yes.
If you have to create link to this
No,
file,
sir.
ln command.
Sir, I want to make a file within a file.
How can you make a file within a file? You can create files into a directory. How can you create files within a file? You can add data into a file.
Okay, sir. I understand. That's an ingredients.
Okay. Now, what is soft link? You good. I think you were absent in that class. First of all, link. Link file is created for fault tolerance. Okay. Fault tolerance. Fault tolerance means, suppose I am just doing a few tasks on the original file. Maybe accidentally, intensely, I really don't know why, you have deleted the original file. You have deleted your file. So to do work with safe hand, we should use link file. Fine? Link file. Suppose your file is F. Now you have created a link file F1. Now you can perform each and every task which you want into this file. Suppose you have added A, B, C, D, these 4 lines. If you will check these lines into original file F, you can get. Suppose you have deleted this file F1. Delete. Don't worry, your original file is safe. Fine?
Yes.
And now, this link file can be of 2 types. This link file can be of 2 types. Hard link and soft link. Get it?
Yes.
Hard link and soft link. In case of hard link, you just specify command ln space
Mine.
F and F1. Original file, then new file. In this case, if you delete the link file, there is no effect on the original file. If you delete the original file, then there will be no effect on the link file also. But in case of soft link, we use command ln space minus s space, for example, F and F2. That's file name? F2. Fine. In this case, first thing is, if you make any change with this file F2, it will reflect in original file also. Even if you make some changes with into the original file, it will reflect into the link file. But if you will delete this link file, then there will be no effect on the original file. But in case you will delete this original file, you cannot access this link file. Fine? One more thing. Hard link can be created into the same partition, same file system. But soft link can be created into another file system and same file system or partition. In case of hard link, no new inode value is used. No new inode value is used. I have asked this question also.
Yes.
In which link file new inode value is used? In hard link, same inode value. For example, this file inode value is, for example, 10. Then what will be its inode value? 10. But what will be this file inode value.
Change.
Change means like 11.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is the hard link and soft link.
So when I create multiple soft link, then it will be increasing the inode value.
It will use more and more inode value. It means there is decrease in inode value, not increase, decrease. Because in every partition, inode values are limited. Means in case of soft link, there is vestige of inode. But in case of hard link, there is no vestige of inode.
So I have a question, sir.
WC command. WC command. Use of, okay, good, thank you. Use of WC command. WC. Anybody can answer?
Word character.
Word character
Character and
lines.
line.
Right. It shows how many lines, how many words, and how many characters are present into a file. If you will specify -L switch, then file name, for example F, it will show only
Lines.
lines.
Minus C.
W,
Words.
words, and C, characters.
Yes.
Correct? Yes.
What is the use for ID command?
ID.
User.
Yes.
It's for user.
Yes. User information. ID. Because, sit down. Look. I should ask this question in the Viva session also. Good. ID. First of all, user ID. Okay, fine. Whenever we create user, that we specify a particular name, Sohan, Mohan, Rohan, Tohan, anything.
Yes, sir.
But Linux provides a unique number to that particular user. That unique number is known as user ID. In Linux, 0 to 999, this range is reserved. Fine?
Yes.
And if you are going to create first user, then first user will get user ID
As 1,000.
1000.
Yes.
Just after that,
Yes.
successor of this number, math.
Yes, sir.
Remember math, successor, predecessor. है ना?
Yes, yes.
Suresh. We are comfortable with Suresh. Okay, it is easy for us to remember it. But Linux provides user ID 1000.
1,000.
To get user ID information, we use ID. If you would like to see all user ID, for example, the super user name is root. Root. This is the very first user of your system. And its ID is
Lies between 0 and
0. First user means first value.
yes.
Getting?
Yes.
Administrator always lies between 0 to 999.
No, it is not mandatory. But root is the first user of your system. That's why it gets this ID. You can create another administrator. In that case, you will get ID after 999. It's 1000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything.
And so on.
So I'm not able to understand about this question.
Grub.
Check with the book. graph directly using 111.
We don't read about this kind of graph. Where we use graph models. Like
11 traces.
Yes. Like there are solutions. CD slash group CS graph. Use that type. What is the meaning of all these questions?
Firstly, we have to understand why we are using graph only.
Actually, 11 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, this is wrong.
There are so three if places.
Solution
And here has just inter. I think
No, this is not correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. 11, how? Yes. Field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4. You have to filter only field 4. I will try to understand. Okay? Yes.
first to understand the one
Filter.
you cannot understand this question if you do not understand this is a frame. If I don't know this is big and how I can go to the shop and understand. I don't know about this frame. I can know. Even if you have to know about this.
So you are specifying 4. It is enough. Again you put comma and then 4. So both are representing the same column. That's right. Look. Actually, cut. CUT cut. Cut. Then we specify delimiter minus D, then colon. Then we have to specify field. Now here you can put number like 1, 4, 2, 3, anything. Suppose you are going to use only single field 4. It is enough. But you are giving extra expression like 4, 4. So both are representing the same column. That's why you have got the same answer at every time. If you have used till this value, you have got this column. You have added this value. Again, you have got the same column. We use this comma to get different fields like F1, 4, 3, 2, any. So this is used to filter multiple columns from a file. Okay.
So this
Question is wrong. 11. What is the question?
This question becomes we have to write something.
Okay. Now.
For this question we have a command. Sir.
444. Okay.
Please give the session of our class.
Yes, yes.
No, and then she know the session.